Okay, hello everyone. This is October cookoff. Okay, so I just do some div one problem like these problems. Last second last three I already done and four we will do together. Okay, so this is the first problem of div three. Chef has n slippers, L of which are left slipper and right rest are right slipper. Slipper must be always be sold in pairs, which where each pair contains one left and one right. So in each pair of the cost X rupees is measurement of can get slippers. Okay. This is of we have L. We just given and test cases and cases then the test cases flow N L X. Okay. Okay. Then there is no timeout. Okay. Clearly. Okay. 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 So first problem. So what is given is that we have a total pair of n pairs. So left will be L, right will be n minus L. So total number of pair will be min of this. So min of L comma n minus L and total maximum money will be into X. That's it. This is the solution of the first problem. So will be in n L X sin n L X and answer is equal to min of n minus L into X. And just see out the answer. Okay, yeah. This is the answer. Maybe I can't able to submit in this program. Oh yeah. So for the solution, I have to go to the source and pairing. Okay. So I have to submit here. Oh sure. Okay, this is the question. This is the second problem. This is the average flex. There are any student in a class where the I student has a score AI and the I student will boost if and only if the number of students scoring less than or equal is 0. Okay, this is the correct. The I student will boost if and only if the number of students scoring less than or equal to AI is greater than the number of scoring greater than AI. Okay, find the number of students who will boost. Okay, so oh yeah, this constant is very low. You can go for n square. Okay, so and n cn. So vector of end of a of cn for I to n. I'm just taking a of I. So I have calculate which int count Okay, so for I to n, so int z is equal to 0, which how many of this, for I to j to n, if a of j is greater than a of I z plus plus, then remaining will be total is n minus 1 minus z, and if it will boost, he will boost if the total number of squaring or equal is greater than. So if less is greater than z, then count plus plus, see out count. Yeah, this is the answer. 323. Oh, what happened? So way of I is equal to c and count is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. So j to I, if a of j is greater than j plus plus, then remaining will be n minus 1 minus z. See, and we have n volume count. Oh shit, count. Okay, 313. Okay, that's cool. Oh, 323. What happening here? 42. Okay, so for this, shit. So I had some confusion. But so this is it is not something. Oh shit. Now it is checking the answer. Okay, but this is the correct answer. Yeah, this is correct answer. So for the third one, odd sum. So we have given an integer n. Consider all arrays A of size n such that all elements are non-negative and distinct. All prefix sum are odd formally for all I, such that I is less than A of I mission of A among all possible arrays A. Output the smallest possible sum of element of the array. We just given an integer n. Consider all arrays A of size n such that all elements are non-negative and distinct. All the prefix or all output the smallest sum of the array. Non-negative and distinct, and all sum will be odd. Okay, so this is the array. So sum of is odd. If we go with here odd, this one be odd, so minimum will be 1. We have to find minimum or maximum. smallest to the sum of elements of the smallest. Okay, then all will be, if anywhere odd is come, then sum will become even. So here will be 1 0 2 4 6. So yeah, this is will be 3, will be 3. Okay, yeah, this is the solution. So here will be 1 after 1. This is odd. If this is odd, then if any number is come that is odd, then prefix sum will be even. Okay, because odd plus odd is equal to even. Okay, so if we just started with 1, then all other will be must be even. So all other will be 0 to 4. Okay, that's the answer. So we just have in time C and C in n. Okay, I is equal to 0, I less than I. Okay, count less than n, minus 1. Also we just started count is equal to I started with 1. Okay, count and I plus is equal to 2, and sum is equal to 0. So 10 to the power, how much was the limit? 10 to the power n will be 10 to the power 9. So in a simple manner, what is the sum? Sum will be 1 plus 2 into first n minus 1 term. First n minus 1 term will be n minus 1, n into n plus 1 will be n by 2. So will be 1 plus n minus 1 into n. This is the answer. 1 plus n into n. So down into n minus 1, count 1. There is nothing problem with the 1 plus n into n minus c out, count 1. Maybe this one is correct. I think so. Therefore this is okay. Out. Okay, for the first 5 elements it is 2 4 6 4 7 7 or 6. Oh yeah, this is okay. So I'm not able to summarize it. Okay, I'm not able to summarize, but this is the correct answer. Okay, yeah. Then this will be the sorry, we have to I separate n minus 1 here. Okay, because first term is 0, 0, 2, 4, 6. So for I subtract the n minus 1. In this I subtract here n minus 1. Okay, yeah, this is okay. Then this is the fourth problem. So you are handed a binary string, but not in an ordinary form. Instead of being given the value of s, you are given an array C of size and representing the 0 1 comparison with the representation of s. This means first contains C1 0 factor and C2 1 character, then C3 0 characters and so on, like this work. Okay, you are allowed to modify S by swapping elements of C. More commonly, you are allowed to swap CI as long as CI both and codes block of same character. For example, C2 C4, you can swap C1 and C3 because both of them over 0 means to go, yeah. Otherwise, you can C and C3 and okay. Perform the swap any way as many times as you want, including 0 times, so that the final string has as many 0 1 sequence as possible. As a reminder, a sequence of a string is a sequence that can be derived by deleting 0 or more characters without changing the order. To find any optimal final array C for which the number of 0 in sequence will be the largest as possible, then C will be 1. Okay. N is too small and it's 100 only. Okay. We can swap as many as possible. For each test case, output two lines. The first line contains an integer representing the address. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So okay. So in this problem, we are just given a sequence of uh, like zeros, C1, then 1, like okay, something like that. Okay. So in the final array, we just given this much. So what is the result? Like maximum 0 and 1 is what is the like this is 2 like 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. So what is the subsequence of 0 1? So subsequence of 0 1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, like 2 into for these how many ones can be 5, so 2 into 5 plus here will be 3 1 2 3 4 3, that how much 3 will be there, so 3 will be there, so that will be the sequence answer result. So to we have to maximize this, we have to maximize this. Mm, yeah, we have to maximize this. So what we so here so how we can maximize, so we can maximize as so number of 0 will be maximum come this side and maximum number of ones come will be this side, then this will be the optimal or the maximum result. Okay, so yeah, we have to like take different arrays, like here is the zeros, and sort this in the decreasing order, and take the ones, sort in the increasing order, and you will get the answer. Yeah, that's the answer. This is simple, so I can code for you, but it is not submitting, but this is the correct answer. Yeah, so you just take the like int and just cnn, so vector of type a of n, or you may just mm, zeros and this ones. Okay, so 4 and I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. If I is odd, if I is 0, then this will be of 0, then 0 dot push back, 0 dot push back x, else 1 dot push back x. Okay, okay, and x. Okay, yeah, so now sort 0, 0 dot begin, 0 will be of decreasing, so 0, 0 dot a for will be the greater. And what about this once? Once we have sort as a simple increasing. Okay, now for and I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus. So if it is 0, and j is equal to 0, and k is equal to 0. C out 0 comma j plus plus, C out k plus plus. This is my final array. Okay. Now the answer. So long answer is equal to 0. So answer will be, if it is 0, so answer will be 0, 0 j into count. Yeah, and if we come here, we have to count decreases. Okay, okay. See how this. Long count is equal to 0 for up to it, or we just count once. And that's it. I'm not able to submit it. but this is I think this is correct answer. This is the past notable summary. Okay, so 0 1 subsequence. Um, oh yeah, I can. Yeah, okay, yeah. Hmm. Now we come with these problems. These are D1 problem and cool problems. Okay, yeah. So we just given a and cross and grid. Okay, now we have to say we can reach or not. Okay, if like this is our grid, something like that. This is n cross n. This is not seems to be n cross n, but it is n cross n. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, up to 6 is okay. 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yeah, this is okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it is noticeable if we have like uh, uh, blocks in this or block in this, block in this, block in these, block in these. If we have continuous block in these, then we can't reach at the or end position. Okay, so we have to check how many block are in this, and the you can see that the sum of the integers like I, if we I just uh, like mark it as column as I comma j, then sum of these line will be same, and in the increasing order, like this sum will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6 7 up to this will be the 2n. Yeah, that's the simple, like you may see here. Here will be sum will be 2, here will be 2 plus 1 will be 3, whole 3, whole this will be 4, these diagonal will be 5, this diagonal will be 6. So we have just calculate, we just so I will show you my solution. Where is my solution? Okay, this is too bad. I again go to where it is, cookoff. Yeah, so yeah, this is my solution. So I'm just taking x and y and sum it off. Okay, now this is how many of uh, sum of. Okay, now I'm just taking so like here will be, if it sum of these column is 2, so I can't reach. If some will be 3, some will be 4 5 6, and then it will be start decreasing. If I become more than this, then will be 7 8, sorry, it will start decreasing like 5 4 3 2. Like if the total number of block in this element is equal to this one, then we can't reach our target. So the same I am doing. If it is count, so we can't reach, whole will be true and whole is true, it is no answer. Okay, if it is like I, it will be increasing, like it start increase, first it start increasing and then it is decreasing count. Yeah, that's it. So this is the second problem. So we are just given n, we have to find the x. We have to find n with in the two queries. So this is a very simple problem. So first we have to see that like n will be between 10 to the power 18 to 1. Okay. So if we take any number bigger than, okay, I am just take n is equal to 10 to the power 18, and if n is between this, so if I just if I remainder with this n, so it will, so I can say that if it is something any number, if it come out any number, it come out z, so I can represent 1 into it is power 18 is equal to n times some t plus z. Okay, I can say that it will be something like that. Okay, and it will be t, n will be t times, and I can say that 1 power 10 to the power 18 minus z. If I subtract the z, the remainder, then it will be this one. It will be, then this will be t times some t times n. Okay, and if I okay, and if like 1 is power 18 minus z remainder by n will give me 0 always, because it is a multiple of n. And if I subtract 1 from this one, okay, and if I subtract 1 18 minus z, and I subtract 1 minus 1, it will be n minus 1. Okay, so this is our result. And now in two consecutive we will find the result. Okay, yeah, this is very nice. Oh, this is 2 3. Okay, this is equal to my summation. So yeah, this is program. So I'm just taking uh, z, like how many remainder with 1 10 to the power 18. I'm just taking this, then I subtract this and subtracting one more, and what is p1, and solution will be p1 plus 1. Okay, I'm just doing the same. I'm just taking the n remainder with 1 10 to the power 18, and what is the remainder with this minus 1, and this will be the solution plus 1. This is the n minus 1. This is the answer. That's it. Simple. Now third problem. That's it. Okay, so we have, so like it is a very big string, 10 to the power 10 to minus 10 to the power 10. Okay, somewhere chef is here and other policemen are here. So one, you one should observe that in two moves, first move this player police one and cops, and then moves this chef. Okay, so so difference between this one, or difference between, if this is increase or decrease, that doesn't matter, then difference will be by increase by plus 2 or minus 2. That means if it is odd, then it will remain odd. If it is even, then it will remain even. Okay, this is the like first observation. Okay, this is the first observation. Then second observation is that if policeman is here and chef is here, and the difference is odd, like 3 1 2 3 4 5. If it is odd, like, then please uh, start first. So please here, then cook here, uh, chef here, then please here, chef here, then please here. Okay. So if it is odd, then please will win. So there is no chance of chef to move on. Okay. And if it is even, if it is odd, then please will win. And if it is even, then chef will win. Okay. So you are just saying that how it is win or loss. So you can see that, like, if here is a policeman and here is chef. Okay. If it is odd, so if chef will come here, police will come here, or chef will also come here, then at that point chef will make a uh, sorry make a move, but police can't. Okay. So so he will just go this side. At any point he will just start stuck to at last end. So at last end also the same thing happens. Okay. So we have to just check if it is odd. If like difference is odd, then this police one will be share will be eliminated. And if it is even between any police officer of this one, then chef will be eliminated. Okay. Like, here will be chef, here will be some policemen, p1, p2, here will be p3, and similarly here will be p4, p5, and p6. Okay. So if difference, if I just uh, like see this side, if it is even, okay, so chef will win and this will be eliminated. This will eliminate. Again, if it is, if like in moves the distance will odd, it will be odd, remain odd, because we are just so difference between the moves will be +2 or -2 or 0. Okay. So if it is even, if at the if like at the any point will be comes to odd, then that police officer will uh, terminate the chef, and like this police officer will terminate. So we will not need to move forward onwards. Okay. Similarly for this one, the first will come, uh, distance is odd, we just chef will be eliminated. So we have just take care how many police officers position is less than chef and how many is greater than, then we have just sort, and we have just calculate the distance is odd or even. Yeah. This is also a simple problem. So we just taking the small and large two vectors and the chef distance, chef position. If it is smaller, greater, then I will just push into the large, and if it's smaller, then I will push into smaller, smaller. Okay. So small array, S array, I will just sort both of the array, and will be count two and count one how many police officer will be terminated. Okay. So distance will be L of I, and I am just taking the large ones. So distance will be LR for the I police officer is I, L of I minus C minus 1, the distance between them. If it is even, this police officer will be eliminated, as this will eliminate chef. Similarly, if we go this side, smaller side, the difference, if it is count, will be increasing. We are just starting from the, from like, here is the police officers P1, P2, and P3. Okay. This is the chef, here is will be p4 p5. Okay, so you may see that, like, you may hope think that like that, okay, like this distance is odd. Okay, so this police officer will eliminate. So how, like, why this will be also eliminated? Like, I will not take one side, I will take in both sides, because SAF has to eliminate maximum police officers. So it will see, like, if like up to here, like this distance is odd and these are distances evens, even and even. So it will try to eliminate these even and even, and if it sees like this is odd, so it will go here and eliminate this one. So it will eliminate these whose distance is odd. Okay, yeah, this is the solution. So this distance is even, it will be eliminated. So will be eliminate how much is count one, and if count one is n, means all are eliminated, so it will escape then one, else minus one. This is a simple solution. Okay. Hope you understand and enjoy the video. Thanks a lot.